Ah, hello, you see.
Hi, Happy. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I want to talk to you for a minute.
About what?
About your pregnancy.
What about it?
You know this pregnancy belongs to me.
What?
No. No, this pregnancy belongs to me.
Please don't say that again. Don't allow anyone hear this from you. Do you hear me? What's insolent? What's wrong with you? What do you take me for? What pregnancy? What are you saying? What are you talking about? Please don't make this statement anymore. Do you hear me?
Happy, you better cooperate. Or else.
Please don't make mention of this. Look at this guy.
You better cooperate.
What's wrong with this small boy?
This pregnancy belongs to me. Or else.
It's never yours and it can never be yours.
My brother will hear this.
Do your worst. But don't say anything about my pregnancy. If not, I will deal with you. What insolent? What's wrong with this small boy?
You better cooperate.
Are you crazy? Are you mad?
I'm telling you, you better cooperate.
Please go to hell for all I care. Go to hell. Look at this small boy. My pregnancy. What for? I will deal with him. No, I will deal with him. I will deal with him.